In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Smartsheet data into Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook or open an existing one if you already know where you want your imported data to go. Once Excel is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Data tab. In some versions or setups, you may also use Power Query since that's the tool Excel relies on for connecting to outside data sources and bringing them into a worksheet in a structured way. From there, choose the option to get data from an online source or from a connector. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Excel, but you're looking for the feature that lets Excel connect to an external platform instead of importing a regular file. This is important because it creates a live style connection, which makes updates much easier later on. Next, connect to Smartsheet using an available connector or add-in. If your version of Excel includes a built-in connector, simply select it from the list. If not, you may need to use an approved add-in or integration already installed in your environment. Take a moment here to confirm that you're choosing the correct connection method for your setup, since that can affect what data you're able to access. When prompted, sign into your Smartsheet account. Make sure you use the account that has permission to view the sheet or report you want to bring into Excel. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to complete authentication in your browser. Once access is granted, Excel will be able to display the Smartsheet content available to your account. After signing in, select the sheet or report you want to import. This is where you can verify that you're choosing the correct data source before loading it. If you have multiple sheets with similar names, it's a good idea to pause and double check, especially if the workbook will be shared with others or used for reporting. Finally, load the data into Excel. Depending on your workflow, you may load it directly into a worksheet or into the data model first. Once the import is complete, review the table to make sure the columns and values came in as expected. If the Smartsheet data changes later, you can refresh the connection in Excel to pull in the latest updates without repeating the entire setup. That's it. Once everything is connected properly, Excel becomes a convenient place to analyze, filter, and work with your Smartsheet data whenever you need it.